Step-by-step guide on how to use Google. Step 0. Get a computer, internet access and electricity. Easiest way is by going to a public library, the place with the books, and ask the nice man or lady by the information desk to help you. Ask them, "Hello, I would like to borrow a computer. Can you help me?" You might be asked to provide a small down payment between $1 and $3. You will get the internet password from them. Step 1. Go to the computer. A computer can be identified by its keyboard and screen. Some computers are foldable, so look for an apple, window or penguin symbol on top. Step 2. Then open it by lifting the top part. There is usually a small slit where you can open. If your computer has its keyboard and screen separate, skip this step. Step 3. The on button on a computer is most likely a circle with a small stick in it coming out from the top. When you have found it, press it down and wait for it to boot up. Step 4. Log in using the password for the computer. The easiest way to get this is by asking the owner. If the computer boots up onto the desktop mode, skip this step. Step 5. The next step is to find a Chrome symbol. It's a small blue circle surrounded by yellow, green and red equal thirds around with a non-linear start and end. Optionally, look for a symbol with a compass, a fox on a globe, or an O. These will work too. Step 6. Now you're greeted by a prompt central where you can enter any number of search words to get any piece of human information. Once you are done, press the enter key. It's most likely to look like a large rectangle with small extrusion to the left.